beautiful G Squad. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working with my non-dominant hand. So it is another Adventures of NonDom, where today we're going to work with some pigments and this new builder gel that we got. If you have not seen me unbox that, I'll go ahead and put that up in the corner for you so you can click on it after you finish this video, which is a little longer than we normally do. It's going to be almost 15 minutes long. Maybe after I put the ending and the beginning on, it'll be about 15 minutes. So give me a thumbs up for long videos, and shout out to all the rock stars who stay all the way to the end. You guys are the bomb, and I totally love you. Okay, so now what we're doing is mixing some of these pigments together, and I've chosen this bright pink and bright orange because we're gonna wear some bright nails. It feels like summer here. Summer is the official start of summer is around the corner, so summer nails it is. And we're gonna mix up this really pretty pink, and these are actually neon pigments, so these are gonna be super awesome and pretty. I love these colors. And then we're going to go ahead and mix up that orange as well. The beautiful music that we are listening to is by Roa Music, and it is called Sunrise. So not only is it much later, it's actually the next day. I mixed these up, and then I put little lids on them, sort of, so to speak, and left them to sit overnight. They spread out real well, and all the bubbles popped. So now we should have relatively bubble-free nails. There is one in the thumbnail, and you'll probably see that in the reveal shots. There you go. So now what I've done is make all of my forms, or 4 of the forms. I just like to form them all right away, especially when I'm working with my non-dominant hand, because as you have more and more forms put on your hand, it's harder to get it done, right? It just is. So now what I've done is put all of those forms on, and what we're going to do is go ahead and just make a nice clear platform to start working on. I have already done all the prep work on my nails, and there is a very thin base of Ideal Pink Builder Gel from Light Elegance down. And that layer really just helps protect from this color right here that we're putting on, because it will stain. And then also, this is a very jelly-ish look, so it gives it a uniform pink look underneath this, so that there's no blemish or anything, or marks of any kind to disrupt from the look that you're going for. So I just really like doing some sort of like a nude or light pink base underneath for this kind of look. You can do clear if you've got gorgeous nail beds, and it's not that I have ugly nail beds, but you know, it's just nice to have that perfectly uniform look. Now we're going to do a solid nail on the pinky, and a solid single color, I mean, on the pinky and the index finger, but we are also going to mix those colors on the 2 middles, and the ring finger and the middle finger, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. hey guys, YouTube, I noticed, has started putting some ads up on my videos. I saw one just a couple days ago, and but I wanted to let you guys know that I'm not monetized. I'm still under 1,000 subscribers, so there's no way for me to partake in that revenue. So if you're like me and you know, will watch the shorter ads to support the creators that you love, don't bother watching the ones on my channel yet, because I'm not getting any of that money. That's just YouTube getting all that money. So don't waste your time watching the ads on my channel yet. Wait till I have 1,000 subscribers, and you can share this video and subscribe right now, and I appreciate all of that. Thank you so much. Mwah! Now on our little palette dish here, we've got some glitter mixed with the same builder gel that we're using. It's the same situation we did with the pigments. We just did some glitter, and this is a holographic green, and we're putting that right on the pink, and then we've got a holographic blue as well that is going to go on the orange. And we're doing it in this little swooshy pattern because we're going to add some stars and make them like shooting star nails. I think it's just such a cute little look, and I love how it came out. Actually, at first I wasn't sure if I was even gonna keep the glitter. I almost wiped it off, and I was like, no, listen to Melissa De La Cruz and trust the process. You have a vision, execute that vision, and I just kept going. I did want to mention that I really think my index finger, because it's really long right there, look at that. It looks a little bit like a straw, don't you think? Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I've already finished up the encapsulation process and filing. So now we're gonna add some gems. I was a tiny bit out of frame there for that first one. I'm so sorry, but let's go ahead and get it done. I'm doing blue on the orange nail, and then I'm gonna do green on the pink nail the same way that we did the glitter, where the green is on the pink and the blue is on the orange. And but again, this video was a little long, so I did cut out that pinky nails application, but it's exactly the same cluster, so there's no difference. I did it exactly the same way. And now it is time to add some top coat. As always, guys, anytime you're working with gems, please be careful not to get any top coat on your gems. It will dull their shine because your facets will disappear. You'll be able to see the color, but it'll just look like a blob of color. It won't have the dancing, glinting, shiny, beautiful, star-like quality that you want. These are not actually Swarovskis. There's some gems that I got on Amazon, and I will link them for you guys in the description because they're really nice. You get all there's 4 colors. I wish that there were more of the big gems in this collection, but there's a lot of the smaller ones and the mid-size ones, and you can do a lot with that. So I would not discourage anyone from buying them. I just wish they had put more big ones in there. Look at that glitter, guys. Look at that glitter. Am I right? Am I right? I think I'm right. That is so cute. I can't wait for you to see the thumb because honestly, the thumb is actually my favorite nail of this set. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't love this set. I love the colors. I love the idea. I even love the way I laid down the glitter and the gems. It's just the actual nails themselves. Look how pretty that thumb is though. Guys, look at that. I got to buy some more top coat. I'm just about out. But there was a problem with my shaping, not with the file, but with the actual like forms. So it's not my favorite set, but they're pretty. I'll wear them for a week or so, then we'll pull them off and do something else. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.